Welcome to my brief video tutorial on scheduling index updates and allowing index searching. This activity is based upon activity 9.6 in the MCSE Guide to Microsoft Exchange Server 2003 Administration, 13-digit ISBN number 978-1-4239-0266-9. The description of this activity is we will configure Exchange Server 2003 to update full text indexes automatically and allow clients to search using the indexes. We'll configure these processes separately for each data store by completing the 7 steps. The first step is to launch Microsoft System Manager, or Exchange System Manager, excuse me. We get to that by clicking Start, All Programs, Microsoft Exchange, and System Manager. From System Manager, we need to drill down to our mailbox stores. So to get there, we're going to first expand our administrative groups. From administrative groups, we'll select the first administrative group. From there, we'll select our server container. Sorry, I'm misclicking. From the servers container, we'll select expand our server. From our server, the next thing we'll do is expand our first storage group. Let me go ahead and expand this screen so we can actually see what's going on. And from there, we will right click on the mailbox store. And once we right click the properties dialog box, or we'll select properties to open the properties dialog box. Once the property, now that the train has passed, we can continue. So now that the properties dialog box has opened up, we're going to click full text indexing, which the full text indexing tab. Once we select that, we'll use the update interval drop down list to choose how often the indexes should be updated. Have the following 2 options, but for this activity we're going to run it daily at 1 a.m. So run daily at 1 a.m. The 2 options specify, we can specify to run the update at various hours throughout the day, or we can create a custom schedule. Well, like I said, for this activity we're just going to set it to run daily at 1 a.m. We'll go ahead and click this index is currently available for searching by clients. We'll click OK to apply this. Once we click OK, we're prompted with a warning dialog box indicating that to make indexing available, you must first verify that indexing has been fully populated and is not out of date. So we'll go ahead and click OK to continue. And this last step is to close Exchange System Manager. So that was the brief 7 steps on scheduling index updates and allowing index searching. So just to briefly review them steps, we opened up the Exchange System Manager by going to All Programs, Microsoft Exchange, selecting System Manager. We then drilled down to our mailbox store. We got to that through our administrative groups, our first administrator group, clicking the plus sign next to our servers. From our server, selecting our first storage group, and then right clicking on our mailbox store and going to properties. Once we were there, we clicked the 3rd tab, which was the full text indexing tab. We selected our update interval by the drop down list. We selected run daily at 1 a.m. We selected the checkbox underneath that this index is currently available for searching by clients. We clicked OK and we're prompted with a warning dialog box. We agreed to that dialog box by clicking OK, and we closed Microsoft Exchange System Manager. Thank you for watching my brief video tutorial on scheduling index updates and allowing index searching. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to post them in the field listed below.